Imagine this. Every day, businesses send out countless emails, but only a few grab your attention, and even fewer convince you to take action. What if you could be the person behind those emails, the one crafting messages that drive sales and build customer loyalty? Email marketing is one of the most effective ways for businesses to connect with their audience. And here's the best part. They'll pay you handsomely for your expertise. Stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how to create winning email campaigns, attract clients, and turn this skill into a lucrative freelance career. Email marketing involves creating personalized, engaging messages that encourage people to take specific actions, like buying a product, signing up for a webinar, or downloading an ebook. As a freelance email marketer, your job is to 1. Write compelling subject lines, 2. Craft engaging email content, 3. 4. Analyze performance metrics like open rates and click-through rates. This is a high-demand skill because email marketing offers one of the highest returns on investment for businesses. Did you know that for every dollar spent on email marketing, businesses earn an average of $36? That's why companies of all sizes, from startups to Fortune 500 giants, are constantly searching for skilled email marketers. The best part? You don't need a degree or years of experience to get started. With the right approach, you can land high-paying clients and build a steady income stream. To succeed as an email marketer, you'll need to master a few key skills. 1. Copywriting. Write compelling, action-oriented content that resonates with readers. 2. Audience segmentation. Understand how to target specific groups within a business's email list. 3. Automation tools. Learn tools like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or Klaviyo to create and manage campaigns. 4. Data analysis. Track email performance and make improvements based on metrics. 5. Design basics. Create visually appealing emails that look great on all devices. These skills will set you apart and help you deliver results for your clients. How to create a winning email campaign. Here's how to create an effective email campaign. First, define the goal. Is it to promote a product, drive website traffic, or grow a subscriber list? Next, know the audience. Research the target audience's preferences and pain points. Then, write a killer subject line. Make it short, intriguing, and personalized. After that, craft the email body. Focus on clear messaging, benefits, and a strong call to action. Use visuals wisely. Add images, GIFs, or buttons to enhance the email's appeal. And finally, set up automation. Schedule a series of emails to nurture leads and convert them into customers. With these steps, you can create campaigns that drive real results. Finding clients as a freelance email marketer. Now that you have the skills, it's time to find clients. Here's where to look. First, freelance platforms. Create profiles on Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer to showcase your services. Second, cold outreach. Identify small businesses that need help with email marketing and pitch your services directly. Third, networking. Use LinkedIn to connect with business owners, marketers, and entrepreneurs. Fourth, offer free trials. Provide a sample campaign to demonstrate your value to potential clients. And lastly, referrals. Ask satisfied clients to recommend you to others. With persistence and the right approach, you'll build a steady client base. Pricing your email marketing services. How much should you charge? Well, it depends on the scope of work. For a single email creation, you might charge between $50 to $200 per email. For email campaign management, the range could be $500 to $2,000 per campaign. And if you're looking at monthly retainers, it could be $1,000 to $5,000 for ongoing email marketing services. As you gain experience and deliver results, you can charge higher rates and offer premium packages. Scaling your email marketing business. Once you've established yourself, it's time to scale your business. Here's how. First, expand your services. Offer additional marketing services like social media or content creation. Next, hire support. Outsource tasks like design or copywriting so you can focus on strategy. Then, create templates. Sell email templates or guides to other marketers. Finally, build long-term partnerships. Work with clients on a retainer basis for consistent income. Scaling your business will help you earn more while managing your workload effectively. Common mistakes to avoid. Even skilled email marketers can make mistakes. Avoid these pitfalls. Overloading emails with text. Keep your message concise and easy to read. Ignoring mobile optimization. Ensure emails look great on smartphones. Lack of personalization. Address recipients by name and tailor content to their interests. And of course, spamming. Avoid sending too many emails or irrelevant content. Learning from these mistakes will improve your results and client satisfaction. Your journey starts here. Email marketing is a powerful way to help businesses grow and a lucrative career path for freelancers. With the right skills and strategies, you can craft campaigns that deliver results and earn a steady income. And if you're curious about more ways to earn online, click on the link to watch my next video. Together we'll explore more exciting freelance opportunities. Your journey starts now.